What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you. Wanted to say something to my people out there who's thinking about doing some traveling or who enjoy traveling. I've been talking to a couple recruiters and they are looking for stick welders and flux core welders who can weld and install. Most of the jobs are 6 to 8 weeks, some of them 2 to 4 weeks. You know, they're different in different parts of the area. So I'm trying to put together a good list in a small team that can travel. So if you're thinking about traveling or you're willing to travel and you want to make decent money, give me a call. My number is 480-430-6591 or email me at hogonwelding@gmail.com. That's HOGONWELDING@gmail.com. I'm trying to put together a nice team. So if you're willing to travel, and like I say, some of these jobs, actually, this first team I'm going to put together, you'll probably be working with me. So if you're, wanting to get down and actually meet me and we actually work together and, get some stuff done in the field, I'm trying to work on a good opportunity. So if that's you, stay in tune, stay posted. You got my information. Link up with me. Like I say, the money's going to be decent. It's going to be decent money. And like I say, when it comes to the traveling part, majority of the time your per diem is going to be in it. If you're coming from, outside the area. If you're in the area, then you might not get per diem. But if you're outside the area, you most definitely get per diem for traveling in, for your rooms and stuff like that. So, if that's you, hit me up. Hold on.